In this lesson, we are going to cover archive and retrieve for backing up and restoring Step 7 projects. The Step 7 project that I'm working with now contains a PLC and a SIMATIC HMI station. An archive will back up the entire project, PLC and HMI station. The name of my Step 7 project is Step 7 Videos, which is longer than 8 characters. The actual project will be stored into a folder that is going to be truncated down to 8 characters. I'm going to open up the File Explorer. And my Step 7 project is stored in this folder. So it's truncated down to an abbreviated 8 characters. The Step 7 project is made up of a series of folders and files. An archive will compress this entire folder into a single zip file. I'm going to open Step 7 back up. I'm going to select the File menu and select the Archive command. So this is my project, Step 7 Videos, that I have open. So I will select OK. And it's going to ask for a folder of where the archive is going to be stored. In my Documents folder, I created a folder called My Arcs. And then here is going to be the file name for the project. When you give it a file name in the Archive menu, the file name is limited to 8 characters plus the .zip extension. So I'm just going to accept the default name and select Save. It does prompt me here to archive on multiple data media. This is really more of a legacy thing if you were going to archive across floppy disks. In the archive options, I am just going to select OK. This will start the archive process. So I am going to close my project and I'm going to delete it. So select File and Delete. I'll select my project and say OK. And I'll answer yes to delete it. To restore a project, I will select the File menu command and select Retrieve. I will go to my Arcs folder, select my zip file, which is my archive, and select Open. The default is going to be to go into the S7 project folder for the Step 7 installation. So I'll just select OK. So it tells you where the project is stored, so I will select OK. And then it's asking, do I want to open the project? So I will say yes. And now the project is restored back onto my system. In this lesson, we covered archive and retrieve for backing up and restoring Step 7 projects.